Alright folks, I'm here. Look up here. I'm here to take this here stuff off. Me and this guy here. I'm pointing now to putting a picture up there of the guy who helped me out with this. We glued the sink down to the countertop with oh shoot, I'll have to put it on the screen right here. Sikaflex sealant, adhesive and sealant. So I'm taking the clamps off now and see how we did, and then I'm gonna trim that stuff up. I'm gonna trim this stuff up here just with a box cutter. Trim it around here and just pull it up. I'm gonna trim it with that and just cut it and pull it up. All right. Truth be told, I've already done this once. I just wanted to do it so that you guys could see it. So I've already pulled it up once. I just put it all back together. I had to redo the clear coat on this thing 3 times because you'll see a seam. Let me show you over here. See this seam right here? Well, when I cut the hole, well, before I cut the hole, I realized that my sink and faucet weren't going to match up as far as where I wanted the faucet to end up in the middle of the sink. So I ended up having to put another piece on, and I had to support it underneath because it wasn't quite as thick as this piece here, but it was the same type of wood. So I was finally able to drill it, but that was when I had to reseal this thing, because you really can't just pour new sealant on the other one because it doesn't level right. So you've got to sand it all back down and reseal it. So anyhow, let you watch me peel it up. A lot of it's already done, well, partly done. So we're going to go ahead and just do a thin cut around. Dang good. Didn't even need the knife. I'll probably need to do a little bit of trimming, but for the most part it came up really nice. The reason why I'm putting all this stuff in now, other than the shower, toilet and the shower, is I'm taking it to the tax office Tuesday to try and get it reclassified. If they do reclassify it, then I get to drive it home. If they don't, then I'm back here again for another week or whatever, however long it takes me to get done what they want me to get done. But right now, according to what I've been given, that it has to have in it to be an RV, it has in it what it needs to have in it to be an RV. It's just a matter of how that person's day is going at the tax office. You know, whether they, maybe it'll help if I tell them, you know, when I go up there, because we're going up there on my birthday, so maybe I'll just hint, you know, hey, it'd be nice if this passed since it's my birthday. That'd be July 2nd, by the way. So anyhow, hopefully, and I will do that. I will do that to see if that whatever helps me get it passed or reclassified. I'll do just about. I'm not going to do anything illegal, but if I have to tell them, tell them it's my birthday and that helps me get it reclassified that day, then I'm going to do it. And I won't be lying about it, because it is my birthday that day. And for anybody who's asking right now, or just wondering, I'll be 57. Well, I'm not going to finish trimming it today. I'll put the faucet in right now. We'll see you on another day. Thanks for watching.